Let's talk September special. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle back for September special video. If we've never met, hi, hello, hi. My name is Rochelle and I am your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. So if you love 31, subscribe. If you want to join my lives, hit that bell and give this video a big like if you're ready for the fall. Now stay to the very end of the clip. I'm going to make this nice and short. If you want more info on Happy Mail, on my giveaways on this channel, and so much more. So let's get to the clip.
This is what I want. What I want. This is what I want. That thing that makes me cool like crazy. This is what I want.
Is excited for fall. The prints, the plaids, the colors in this catalog are just amazing. But before we get into that, let me just quickly remind you that we are still in August, and so you only have what, a few more days left in this summer guide and in this summer spring catalog. So make sure you guys grab your favorites before they're gone or into the vault. If you want a copy of the retirement list, feel free to hit the Google Docs form down below and I'll get it to you. I also have a video. This will give you plenty of time to get in on my August giveaway. And if you ladies don't know what that is, it's one of these. Yes, you're getting a September special on me if you shop with me in August, and I will be announcing that winner on September 1st. And just in case you missed it, I'm also having a fall giveaway. I'm going to link that video down below. Want a digital copy of this? Feel free to contact me in the Google Docs below, and I will also give you a digital copy. Enjoying anything in here in August, make sure to get in on the August mystery hostess. Or if you want to go ahead and already get in on the September mystery hostess, and you'll earn double entries when you place your order before my first live party, which is on September 7th. Well, information on the rewards club, I got 4 spots left and they are filling fast. So make sure you get a hold of me and turn in your confirmation form if you're all in on all the fun. Hello Happy is our monthly surprise bags, and that will be debuting August 22nd at 12 noon. They will be on sale. They will be shipping out on September 1st or the first week of September. So we're shopping in August for September's Hello Happy. Now let's just quickly address one of your guys' biggest concerns. As you may or may not know, 31 is experiencing some shipping delays. They're having a huge move from Ohio to Texas, and we're having some growing pains. Now, you guys have been freely contacting me to give you an update on those shipping dates. With that being said, let's go ahead and start shopping early to ensure that your gifts and your goodies get to you on time. You've shopped with me personally as your consultant. I will be sending you some Happy Mail if you shopped with me in July and in August, just as a way to say thank you for your patience throughout these growing pains. I will see you soon on my next live. Let's get ready for fall. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Here's my latest video. Check out this month's special, just in case you forgot. And let's just check out my conference blog, just for the heck of it. All right, ladies, till next time.